Hey guys, so we are using Inkscape today, and so if you have ever made a Cricut design space file or something for a laser cutter or something like that, you know that your vector needs to be outlined. Everything needs to be one continuous outline so that the machine doesn't end up cutting into your artwork. And in Illustrator, there's a handy tool called Expand that makes everything unified. But it's a little different in Inkscape, and I didn't realize that when I was making this piece. So I thought that it might be helpful for someone else to see the process that I have learned. So first of all, you want to make sure that any paths that are not outlined are outlined. So first you select your path, and then you go into path, stroke to path. And then you'll see that the path is now outlined, and you'll need to do that for all of your objects, all of your lines that need to be converted. And you can select multiple and convert to path, stroke to path. Okay, so once you have done that, you can see here that I have already combined a bunch of these guys together. You want to make sure that there's no overlapping cuts, because that's going to cause issues. In my case, I'm making a vinyl cut on my Cricut machine, so when I would be weeding it out, I would end up tearing up my artwork. So we don't want that. Okay, so go ahead and select your outlined paths and shift click what you want to connect it to, and then you go into path and union or keyboard shortcut Control++, and you can see that it is now combined. All right, so the other thing is that this program is a little funny because it doesn't show off all the time if what you're about to click on is highlighted. Like, even if I click on it here, you can see that the outline didn't show up. So just be aware of that, because it can be a little bit frustrating and you're like, why isn't my object highlighting? But it is. It's a wonderful free program. So there's a few little things that aren't quite as user-friendly as Adobe Illustrator, but it's an amazing program. I'm really happy with it. I just started using it, and I'm gonna continue to do tutorials on this. So if you guys are running into any snags or you have any questions, feel free to ask, and I will do my best to help you out. All right, so wish me luck. Hopefully this guy turns out really well. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.